Today I'll show you a supplement that the vast majority of you throw away, unaware that it's extremely beneficial to your plants. It is extremely nutrient dense, and if properly dosed, your seedlings, vegetables, fruits, and flowers will grow quickly while remaining healthy and of high quality. It also improves soil structure, increases water retention, and promotes the activity of beneficial microorganisms. So, stay tuned until the end of the video because I'll reveal where you can get it for free. To make this fertilizer, use banana peels from 10 to 12 bananas. Start by cutting the banana peels into small pieces. This helps to release nutrients more efficiently during cooking. Next, place the banana peel pieces in a container filled with 5 liters of water. Bring the water to a boil and cook for approximately 20 minutes. Cooking banana peels in water helps to extract the essential nutrients. After 20 minutes of cooking, remove the container from the heat and let the mixture cool. Once cooled, loosely cover the container and leave it for 24 hours. This waiting period allows the nutrients to fully penetrate the water, resulting in a potent liquid fertilizer. After 24 hours, the mixture will be a dark, chocolate blackish color, indicating that it is ready for use. Before applying this fertilizer to your plants, dilute it. Add 10 liters of water to the 5 liters of nutrient-rich water. This dilution ensures that the fertilizer is not too strong for your plants, while also providing a balanced supply of nutrients. Your banana peel liquid fertilizer is now ready for use. Simply water your plants with this mixture to give them an extra boost. Banana peel liquid fertilizer is useful in your vegetable garden for a variety of reasons. Banana peels are high in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients are necessary for plant development. Potassium strengthens plant stems, promoting flowering and fruit production. Phosphorus is essential for root development and energy transfer within plants. Calcium is required for cell wall development and helps to prevent disease. Magnesium is an important component of chlorophyll, which is necessary for photosynthesis. By using banana peel liquid fertilizer, you give your plants a natural and organic source of these essential nutrients. This can result in healthier plants, faster growth, and higher yields in your vegetable garden. Making your own fertilizer from banana peels is also an eco-friendly way to reduce waste and recycle organic materials. Thank you for watching the video. We hope this information was helpful and that you will try making banana peel liquid fertilizer for your garden. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for additional gardening tips and tricks. Press the notification bell to never miss an update. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.